happy. Yeah.
I told you that the last time.
Daddy.
Hold on, baby.
I'm happy.
Paperwork I gotta sign?
Yeah. So I need to do a sign here.
Kid, you can't run in the airplane. Do you understand me?
Yes, Mommy.
Okay, here you go.
Alright, man. Thanks a lot, man. I'm sorry again, man.
That's all right.
Appreciate it, though.
So we just make sure we don't do that again.
Yes, sir. Absolutely. Y'all see it, man. Got it out of the impound. Yes, sir. You happy out here. That's it, y'all. Murray Mini Motors. We back, baby. We back, baby. Got the bike back. Y'all see it. Kind of sitting back there. State troopers out here. See the cars, all that. This ain't no game, man. Got busted on the road. They took my bike. Finally got her back now. Still got court cases pending and everything else. Costing me a lot of money for this, man. But we back. We back, y'all. Got the boy CR80 is back. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Can't wait to see what goes on. We'll have to get another video for y'all. Get back. See if he still starts up, you know. So y'all stay tuned, man. All right, Murray Mini Motors.